Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to create a sales funnel on Wix. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for wix.com. Here is the page where you start creating a website using Wix. Continue with your email and click on Get Started. Answer all the questions that help you build your Wix store. Here is the dashboard of your Wix website store. Let's start by setting up your store. Give a name to your store and click on Continue. Answer all the questions until you finish setting up your store. This is what the Wix store dashboard looks like. You can start building your store from scratch or you can pick a template. Click on Design Site and start building your store from the template. Here is a list of templates. Pick one that you want to customize. You can make customization to your store from this page. Let's change the banner image of our store. Double click on the image and upload the banner image from your device. We can customize our store in this way. Save the changes that you made to the store. Once you have done that, go to the Add Elements section. Choose the Contact and Forms option. Then select Request and pick the form that you like. Make some adjustments to the form by editing it. In this way, we can create a landing page. Next, let's create a page that customer can visit for more information. Scroll down and click on Add section. Pick one welcome section and format based on your preferences. Let's say we need customers to visit this website. Copy the link, go to your Wix page and link the website with your button. Once you have done that, save the changes and go back to the Wix Website Builder dashboard page. Find automation. Then click on New Automation. Pick an automation template from the most popular section. Change whatever you want on the automation email. And then click on Activate. This is how to create a sales funnel on Wix. Thank you for watching.